Robotic Hair Transplant Machine FUEsion X 3.0, revolutionizing hair restoration. Hair loss is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, impacting not only their appearance but also their self-esteem and confidence. Traditional hair transplant methods have come a long way, but technological advancements continue to reshape the field. Among these innovations, the HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine stands out as a remarkable development that is changing the landscape of hair restoration. The evolution of hair transplants. Hair transplant surgery has evolved significantly since its inception. It began with the punch graft technique in the 1950s, which involved removing small, round sections of scalp and transplanting them onto balding areas. Over time, this method gave way to more sophisticated procedures like follicular unit transplantation, FUT, and follicular unit extraction, FUE. FUE has become increasingly popular due to its minimally invasive nature, reduced scarring, and quicker recovery times. However, even FUE procedures can be physically demanding for the surgeon, requiring precision and stamina to manually extract and implant hair follicles one by one. This is where the HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine enters the scene. HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine, the future of hair restoration. The HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine is a groundbreaking device that leverages the power of robotics and artificial intelligence to enhance the hair transplant process. Here are some of its most notable features. Precision and accuracy. The HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 uses advanced robotic arms equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors to help surgeons precisely identify and extract individual hair follicles. This level of precision is virtually impossible to achieve with entirely manual methods. Consistency. The HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 operates with unwavering precision and consistency, ensuring that each graft harvested by the surgeon is of the highest quality. Speed. The robotic system can help the surgeons perform hair extractions and implantations at a much faster rate, significantly reducing the duration of the procedure while maintaining quality. Reduced scarring. With the HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0, the tiny incisions made for hair follicle extraction and transplantation are minimal, resulting in barely noticeable scars compared to traditional methods. Minimized human error. Human errors, such as graft mishandling, can occur during manual transplant procedures. The robotic and AI system minimizes these risks by reducing human error, resulting in a higher success rate. Patient experience. One of the most important aspects of any medical procedure is the patient's experience. The HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine enhances the overall patient experience in several ways. Reduced pain and discomfort. The minimally invasive nature of FUE procedures, coupled with the precision of the robotic system, leads to reduced pain and discomfort for patients during and after the surgery. Quicker recovery. Faster, more accurate procedures mean quicker recovery times, allowing patients to return to their daily lives with minimal disruption. Natural-looking results. The precise and consistent graft placement ensures that the transplanted hair looks natural, blending seamlessly with existing hair. Conclusion. The HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 robotic hair transplant machine represents a remarkable leap forward in the field of hair restoration. By harnessing the power of robotics and artificial intelligence, this innovative technology offers patients a faster, more precise, and less invasive solution to hair loss. With the HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0, the future of hair restoration is brighter than ever, promising natural-looking results and improved patient experiences. As the field continues to evolve, it is clear that robotic hair transplant machines like the HARRTS FUEsion X 3.0 are revolutionizing the industry and helping individuals regain their confidence and self-esteem, one hair at a time.